I'm Claire Bernard from the Planning Institute of Jamaica, which is the national implementing entity for the Adaptation Fund in Jamaica. Jamaica is a small island developing state, and by that very definition, we are exposed to climate change. More importantly, we are dead in the middle of the Atlantic hurricane belt. We have natural events which severely impact our people and our economy. We have also, since tracking, found that whereas in the previous decade we might have had one storm every 5 years or so, we have found since 2002 that we're actually having one storm per year. We've also noticed that our droughts are getting more frequent and more intense, and so we realized that we have to put something in place to adapt to climate change. The accreditation process for the Adaptation Fund was really interesting for us. Some key takeaways from that process really underlined the importance of documentation. The things that the fund was interested in knowing were things that we had been doing, but unfortunately much of that was not documented. And so the documentation of processes and procedures is very important in the accreditation process. Another thing we learned was that it's important to get external validation so that you are sure that you're doing some things well. We are an old institution, over 50 years old, and so we felt that there are a lot of things that we've been doing well. We might have been a little surprised when we got a long list of critical questions, and it was very heartening that they were prepared to work with us to show us how we needed to answer those questions so that we were satisfying the requirements of the board. Not only that, the Secretariat actually came out on a field visit while we were being accredited, and that, I think for us, was the defining moment, because they were able to actually see firsthand some of what we do, how we do it, and importantly to speak with our partner agencies, which were able to demonstrate for them the organization's competencies and the goodwill that the organization experiences in the country and with the international development partner community. We have incorporated climate change adaptation and disaster risk reduction as important national strategies in our long-term development plan. And the Adaptation Fund was among the first major climate financing mechanisms that we were able to apply to and access for resources. And I think the demonstration effect of an international agency reposing confidence in our organization as one that could work with them through the direct access modality was really a confidence booster for us, and also provided that level of confidence for other agencies to feel, okay, they can put their money with an organization that gone through the rigors of the accreditation process. We in Jamaica are certainly happy to work with the Adaptation Fund. Thank you, Adaptation Fund.